Ina-upgrade namin ang mga movement. Kasi dati, ang ano lang talaga, basic. So ngayon, upgrade na namin na application na. Hindi na tayo mag-focus doon sa puro basic lang. Application na. Application at saka defense and offense ang pakay talaga dito ng seminar na to.
Okay. Sit down. Washroom down. It's washroom. Washroom for the ladies.
They are opening it. And two. Ready. Right foot first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side to side. From the right first.
Regarding this
Ready?
event, ito po ay joint effort at sa desire ni Master Gerson Melquirer na andiyan po siya pa-practice. Siya po ang talaga nag-i-insist. Ang sabi niya, gusto kong magpalaro o magkaroon ng gathering para po sa ELSAI anniversary. So ano ba yung ELSAI? Yun po yung Lightning Scientific Arnis International na binuo ni Grandmaster Ben Lema. So ay since 1938 at gusto naming mabuhay yung legasiya. Since na-conceptualize ito last year, pero masyado na maiksi yung panahon. Dahil ang plano lang namin ay kami lang dito locals sa Pilipinas o Metro Manila na maaaring makapunta o mas madaling makapag-join. Pero since ang ELSAI po ay hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong ibang mga kasama, kapatid, na may mga chapters sa abroad, lalo na sa UK, diyan sa Israel, sa Dubai, Singapore, Australia, iba-iba pa. With the help of Master Tom from UK, malaki po ang contribution na ginawa niya. Actually, parang siya na po yung overall in charge. Siya po talaga nagbalangkas ng mga dapat gawin. Siya ang kumontak sa amin. Siya ang with our also coordination. So, support lang po kami.
I am Master Tom Edison Peña. I'm the current Secretary General of Lightning Scientific Arnis International, HQ, based in Manila. And I'm also the UK representative of ELSAI. The event started when I visited Manila in December. I had a chance to meet up with the guys in Capitolio. They mentioned to me na gusto nilang magkaroon ng event for the 89th anniversary. So si Gerson, who is the current secretary ng LSMAPC, mentioned na gusto niya magkaroon din ng event, at least for ELSAI, para magkaroon din ng fundraising. Okay, for next year. Kasi next year is the 90th year anniversary ng ELSAI. And we want to do something big. We want to do something like a festival, okay, or a martial arts conference featuring basically the instructors of ELSAI. Not just in Manila, but also the ones abroad. So, sabi namin, well, let's basically look at this event as a dry run for next year.
I'm Master Jolan from LSMPC under Mang Romy, Valenzuela. Now, I will teach you how to apply the 13 manners and the 12 methods of strikes. The 13 manners will do the block, lock, and disarm. Strike 1, then apply. Then 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Ito inopen to para lang sa mga ELSAI practitioner. 1. Apply. Walang outsider dito. Kaya inano lang to, ina-upgrade lang or madagdagan yung mga kaalaman nila. Kasi alam naman nila alam na nila lahat yung galaw. Pero ang inaano namin yung application at saka technique, maliit na technique pero malaking impact sa ano yan sa kaalaman mo Kasi ginagawa mo na. Kaso hindi mo alam yung technique na proper technique. Yun ang in-emphasize namin sa kanila. Okay. Number 8. Lock. Lock and disarm.
Example, bigay tama only defense. So use your largo shot, your largo strike. So should the feeder or the receiver always defend. No time for countering, no time for counter. That's the core of a lightning FL side. It evolves only in 13 manners and 12 methods. For example, I give you number 1 strike, right? I give you number 9 strike, right? Number 7 strike, then number 13 strike. That's bigay tama. But look at it, defense. No counter. But when you do this, right? Yeah. Then this, there's always a counter. So the bigay tama is so many variation. Not like
Kung
that.
pag-aralan mo siya, ang strike na kinukuha namin, katulad yan, bigay tama, doon kami nagkumukuha ng pattern doon sa 13 manners.
Move! Then strike 1.
Pag sa bigay tama kasi, ginagamit namin sa bigay tama. O combination of number 1, number 9, number 7, number 13. So, kino-combine, doon namin kinukuha para hindi mo na kailangan lumayo. Sa system ng lightning, lahat ng klase ng strikes nandun na.
Okay? By count.
Sa
count.
metodo naman,
1.
sa methods, more on parang tatlong klase siya. Largo strikes and largo medyo, then medyo corto. So tatlo lang siya, tatlo lang kung tutusin, tatlong nakapaloob doon sa 12 methods.
Number 1 na gustuhan ko dito yung power strike, power speed. Hindi wala kang may hap kami pero power pa rin. Hindi kami gumagamit ng abaniko o maaaring katawagan din dito yung abaniko and other forms of abaniko. Pero dito ang talagang binibigay namin dito yung power strike and speed. Yun lang ang nagustuhan ko dito. And siyempre yung espada idaga dito, yung bigay tama, medyo kakaiba sa pangkaraniwang Hindi ko naman pwede sabihin, mas maganda ito doon sa iba. Lahat naman ng martial arts ay maganda. Depende sa understanding ng individual. Pero para sa akin, kaya hindi na ako naghanap pa ng ibang arnis. Para sa akin, ito na yung magandang na napuntahan ko. Kaya siguro hanggang katapusan, maintain na ito.
Nakatuto ka na. Pag dito ka, ito na. Huwag na alisin ang stick dito. Dito na, pum, pum. Patalisin mo pa na. Lapit na, dalhin mo pa dito.
The strike is all full. The other club is half, half, half. The lightning is full strike, full strike, full strike. And then after we strike, there's a pushing. This is the espada daga kadinilya for dikitan. Tapos pak, pak, pum. Mayroon kang movement. Strike, push, strike, pak, puk, 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 puk. If you have a knife, sak, pang. O knife, block, counter, pum. That's why lightning is very good because even you hit and then the partner will block your attack. There's a counter. Boom! Push the hands of the attacker. Then your attacker, you can hit again that.
Ang lightning scientific kasi ang palo niya, andyan lahat ang power. Pag pumalo ka dito, yung power dito. Pag kahit na nga yung kuwan mo, pag pumalo ka dito, bum.
Power, puwersa pag nagbigay ang lightning. At saka yung bilis talaga. O, ganun. Na hindi ko noon nakita sa ibang grupo. Nandiyan ang puwersa, yan ang tamang forma, at maraming mga teknik. Hindi isa-isa lang.
In the event, besides the resident participants, we also had international participants. A big group came from Singapore, headed by Guru Mark Roche.
My first trip here in 2011, I wasn't a guru back then, but Inteng brought us here. A bunch of the first generation of gurus who were going to be promoted. So they came to meet Atipati and some other masters, introduced the school to them. So I was offered the opportunity to tag along, which I did. I mean, I wasn't qualified to be their level, right? So that was the first time I came for the gathering, and after that, I've come here many times because of my other job, which is at One Championship. So the opportunity arose to train with other masters like the late Mang Bert and Mang Romi and all these other people, right? Master Estrada, just a few names. The people I've met in 2011 are still very friendly towards me. They treat me like a long-lost relative. In fact, I do not see them any different from the people back home. You know, even though the cultural aspects is so different. I'm always welcome here. My students are always welcome here. Yeah. And I would like the culture of Elsai to be as famous as your top martial arts like Taekwondo.
So how's the training?
Very good. Very intensive. Just nice.
It's nice. It's first time training here?
First time to Manila, yes.
Yeah. How long have you been training Lightning Scientific?
7, 8 years.
7 years?
7, 8 years, yes.
Okay, so you're pretty good already.
No, I'm not pretty good.
Okay, how do you enjoy Filipinos? Philippines?
So far good. I tried the sisig. I tried the squid. What else? I tried the tenderloin beef. I tried the tamarind soup. Okay.
Okay.
Yan. Punch. Yan. Flip, 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 flip. Yan.
Unfortunately, the delegates from Israel didn't manage to push through with their plans because of the current situation in the Middle East. Of course, one of my students from the UK managed to get there without any problem.
I met Master Tom at the time when I was having some personal difficulties with certain people in the martial art community. And Master Tom really was not just a good teacher, but he became a good friend who was willing to know all the facts. So I can consider him not just my coach, but also now a friend. And because of that, when he said that he was organizing this program and he would like to come with some of his students, I volunteered immediately, and I was the first one to commit to it. And well, it's just how destiny worked, that at the end I ended up being the only one who came, not even Master Tom. So it's been great for me. I've been to Philippines for harness training before, but not to Manila. To meet so many of the people from the lightning scientific community is great. And I think it just really makes a change for me from going from being somebody who knows a little bit of lightning scientific to now saying, well, I am part of this community. I really like the training of the different manners and modes of response, because it trains me to have almost involuntary reactions to certain angles and certain strikes, where naturally I'm putting counter without even thinking. Cover my knowledge of Spada and Daga, especially the long distance, really, really well. And my double stick definitely improved with Lightning Scientific.
I found out about this event from Master Tom and Grandmaster John Escudero, who were organizing the event. They also asked me to participate in some of the organizing, and I was fortunate to be able to lend a little hand to some of the things that we did here.
I need to also twist it more.
I think with this system, with this Lightning Scientific group and organization,
Any time that I get an opportunity to meet people who have been in the system for far longer than I have, and even the newer people, it's always great because you see their perspective and their expression of lightning. Now, again, just as people will say, there's 100 different ways to do the strike, but meeting people who see lightning in their own unique way and are able to express it, that's always a wonderful moment for me. And this event is just like one of those things. It's also 1 year away from the 90th, which is a big deal. And I think this also highlights the fact that we have the gas, we have the means, we have the network to go big. We just need to believe in ourselves and commit to it. It's been an absolute blast and pleasure being here to witness all the excellent instruction, this 89th anniversary of LSI. And I know that there's gonna be many, many more. Looking at 90 and 100, that's going to be the medium short-term goal. I look forward more to not just keeping the art alive, but making it thrive in other places beyond the Philippines.